Hey guys, I did this week for the people who were in class, but maybe some of you guys need to see this too. This is modeling with composition of functions, and it's got two things involved in it. Amparo bought a jacket with a gift certificate she received as a birthday present. The jacket was marked 33% off, so there's your discount, and the sales tax in her area is 5.5%. If she paid $45.95 for the jacket, use composition of functions to determine the original price of the jacket. All right, so the first we've got is that X equals the cost of the original jacket, okay? The original cost. All right, the discount with the original cost is going to be one whole cost minus that 33% off, which means you're going to end up with 0.67x. That is your discount. Now, your tax in this area is going to be one item, original cost, whatever it was, plus 0.055x, which equals 1.055x. So if we want to do these things together, your tax is no longer going to be on the original price. It's going to be on the discounted price. So what you're actually doing is the tax on the discounted price is going to be tax on 0.67x, which means that 67x right there is going to go in for this x right here. So what you're going to have is 1.055 times 0.67x is going to give you, and I have done this out before, 0.70685x. That is the total cost, the x being the original cost, multiplying by this, and they told you what she paid once you multiplied by that, which was 45.95. Okay, so to find the total original cost, you're going to divide off this 0.70685 from both sides, and it's going to give you your total. Original cost was 65.0, it was 0.006. So you roughly would say $65 was your original price. And that's it.